Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this new video I'm going to show you how to fix product activation fail in your Excel or your Microsoft Word. I'm going to give you a solution how to fix it quickly. It's a very easy method. So let's start the video. First of all, go to the this PC option here, and here go to your C drive. And here you can see two folder program files and program files 86. Most of you can find um, the Microsoft Office on program file 86. If you don't find this on program file 86, you can always check program files, the other folder, and after that go to Microsoft Office. And here click the latest version you install. It can be Microsoft Office 16, 14, 15, 17 or 23. Just go that, and here you can see this file. This is the direct type is application, this OSPPREARM file. Just select it, right click it and select run as administrator, click it and select OK. The application will run on your background of the PC, and after that just close the application and do this again, do the same thing again, run as administrator, select yes, and it will automatically close. And after that do this for the third time, select run as administrator, select yes, and after doing all of this just restart your PC, and hopefully your activation problem will be fixed for your office. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I will catch you on the next one.